Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can set your billing information in the Civitatis application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the billing information. So here you have to set if it's personal or enterprise. And then you have to set your name and your surname. You have to set the type of document. So if it's a passport or other certifying document. If it's a passport, then just enter your passport number. Then just enter your address, your postal code, your city and your country. And once you're ready, just click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page, and your billing information is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.